morning. It's around 6 in the morning, and things I do before heading off to the factory to work is first check the surf to see what the conditions are like so that I can decide whether or not I'm going to go play in the water for a little while. But before I go surfing, I'm going to go for a run, and I'll take you with me. Really love about running first thing in the morning is that I could sort out my thoughts and make plans to start my day, and that carries over to how I'll run my business during the day. And I find that really important to have that early morning chance to just relax, kind of meditate. I mean, running is a form of meditation, and just get my mind thinking. And then, like, sometimes you have too many thoughts in your brain and it's overwhelming, and running helps me organize and get those thoughts in a priority order of things I have to deal with, and it just helps me prepare for the rest of the day. I feel like I'm setting myself up for success just by getting that morning run in. And even if I don't get anything else accomplished, at least I went for a run. I just finished my morning run, so now it's time to check the surf. I think I'm going out. This is my office for the day. It could be worse.